big surprise to you, but we are going to see Mount St. Helens. I'm Chris.
I'm Melissa.
Together,
We're Carmel.
we married in 2019,
I was 41.
and I was 50.
Now, we're pursuing the lives we've always wanted to live. Traveling, leisure testing, and sharing what we learn along the way.
Let's go.
Although, am I supposed to be surprised by this? Because I looked up the Johnston Ridge Observatory.
Oh, so you're saying that you already knew where we were going the whole time?
Yeah.
Then I want to know why you asked me where we were going. So this will be the second volcano, volcano, I think is what they're called, that we will see in the span of a week.
And it was funny, like when we went to Mount Rainier, we had no water, we had no snacks, we hadn't eaten in hours. And then we arrived and went, and now Chris is like Mr. Prepared. Like, we need airtight snacks.
And we didn't even have hiking shoes.
Right, now we have hiking boots.
We have hiking boots, we've got some snacks and some water. Nothing major, we wouldn't be able to survive very long. But we're not going to do anything risky though.
At least we don't think we are. We don't plan to do anything risky.
We're not going to do the quintessential guy, it'll be fine. I know where I am. We're not going to do that.
That's one of the things I really love about Chris is he doesn't do that stuff.
I'm kind of a worrywart myself sometimes, so. But we are pushing ourselves to do more hiking and more adventure.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Kid Valley. We're entering Kid Valley.
Kid Valley is spooky.
Oh, man. I thought maybe there'd be a river or something that I would see, but truck. You make me nervous with just one hand on the wheel.
All right, both hands are on the wheel.
Thank you. Holy shit.
So that's the viewpoint. We'll let you go see. Oh my god. I can't even look over. Is it
Yeah,
freaky?
don't.
Is it freaky high?
Yes. Just stay focused.
I am. Woo! I couldn't even look. What's this up here?
Oh, don't. Just keep going left. Perfect.
We made it to.
Johnston Observation Center in Mount St. Helens Park.
We're on the side that blew up. I'm
You
excited.
got hiking shoes.
Yeah, we get hiking shoes. Look at those hiking shoes. Oh my god.
Very nice, Chris. Looking fashionable. Oh, I don't know if it stayed on it.
So a little over 40 years ago, this mountain blew up.
Yes.
I've actually muted what Melissa is saying here because on our first date, she was at a loss and directed me back to her home in a town she's lived in all of her life. So that was a tree that faced the wrath of the blowing up of Mount St. Helens.
It was hit at 500 miles per hour. This is the closest I have ever been to a volcano.
An exploded volcano.
An exploded volcano. Right, because there was Mount Rainier and that's... Yeah. I think we should mention, honey, that it didn't cost us anything to come here.
And that's way cool.
Just the drive.
That's cool. But Mount St. Helens is miles that way. And then miles over there in the hills, you can still see the trees that were just flattened. There's the little gray things way in the back. If you get really close to the monitor. It blew up and then it went all the way across here, all the way over there. And that's as far as my eye can see and look at. There's just trees flattened. I can't believe it. Can you believe it? She can't believe it. Earth is crazy. We're gonna try to get away from the people.
Yes.
So we gotta hike fast.
All right, let's go there.
I'm not gonna do anything risky though. Nothing risky, honey.
Yeah,
Let's go.
You missed the first one.
Oh, sorry. I just learned if you walk off the trail, it's a $100 fine. Mount St. Helens kicked that tree's ass. What does this remind you of?
It reminds me of the moon. Although I've never visited the moon, so I don't know how it could remind me of it, except for maybe school images. It zooms in as much as I can. Since Chris and I are new to hiking and we're tackling Mount St. Helens, not really tackling her, exploring her a bit, we've decided to call it quits for the day.
We got within 100 feet of the summit and we thought,
We did not. There it is in the background.
Woo!
So it's time for us to head on back. It's been a lot of fun though.
Yeah.
I've been nervous. I've been way more nervous today than I'm on right now.
Yes, I've been trying to say, let's go do some mountain loving, but she's not up for that either. Oh my God, that's such a big mountain. That is Mount St. Helens. I can't freaking believe it. Would you think that hiking up and looking at this is double thumbs up fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh. And so is
leisure testing complete.
Oh, come on. Let's get a better one.
Okay.
We gotta make
it's hard to hold the camera and get it in
I know,
the shot.
but we gotta make it echo.
All right, well, you make it echo. I'll hold it here.
Here, let me hold it. Ready?
Good enough.
How was it?
Excited porta potty footage?
Yeah. How would you rate it?
It was clean. It was good. And they pointed out the environmental goodness of porta potties within the porta potty. Did you notice that?
No, I was busy just using it.
Oh, well, I sat down and read.
I gotta say, they were very clean.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching the Chris+Melissa show. Be sure you take a moment and like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you keep up with the latest of The Chris+Mel Show.